Welcome back to Sailing Intention. In our last episode, Dulcinea was in the boatyard to get some boat lovin'. Now that she's back in her slip, we're going to finish up the painting and bright work so we can get this beauty out on the water.
Love my boat. I love you.
Woo! Doggies! We are going to town on cleaning this boat. It's like a long time of not getting cleaned. This deck just was like just like black marks and dirt and grime and all over the place. Look at this cockpit. Is this a footprint tone paint? I don't understand. Clean it all up. Everything cleaned up. And so Michelle is up here hitting it with the scrubber brush. How's that coming, Michelle?
It's actually taking up a lot of dirt, which is good. Sitting in the yard. Gotta get the surface clean so we can get the new Kiwigrip done.
Oh, that looks nice. Lovely. Good morning. So what are we doing today?
Today's my birthday.
Yeah,
And
happy
we're working
birthday!
on the boat on my birthday, and actually that makes me inordinately happy. We're gonna finish these beautiful hatch boards and teak work, tape off the boat, and redo the Kiwigrip today. At least past one. We are doing the white edge work first, and then it has to cure so that I can tape over that, and then do the actual textured tan stuff. So.
Looks good. The boat looks absolutely beautiful. We've been having cleaned and scrubbed and cleaned. Look at that brilliant white over there.
It'll look great.
Woo!
Get all this teak work back on.
And we're feeling better, which is also good. So this is the last of the taping. Almost done. Everything's taped off everywhere. Okay. My gosh, it looks like a blue highlighted boat. It's gonna be a long process. So everything's been taped off, and she's done one coat of white Kiwigrip. Kiwigrip. Okay, all the side rails here. I'm gonna try and step on the boat without getting paint on my feet. Now we just gotta let this dry and hope the temperature stays high enough. And then we have to tape off the white part and paint the center. And there you are. What do we got here?
The teak, holly and teak sole for the galley entry area. And then I purchased the drifter. It's gonna be so pretty. That's
Nice.
nice.
All right, new floorboards. Woo!
Pretty.
Look at that.
So now I have a complete complement, and I have a brand new main on order with Island Planet.
Whoa, look at this.
So this is gonna be sweet.
Sweet. Somebody's happy.
It's always a good day when you get new sails. This is a drifter, a Jenniker, Genoa, super lightweight, goes up to about 5 to 6 knots. If it's practically no wind and you're just bobbing along, you want a drifter so that you can actually catch some wind and go. This is Island Planet, and I have an Island Planet main on order.
Michelle is hard at it, well, we both are. She is doing all of this brand new textured deck with Kiwigrip. What is this?
Kiwigrip.
Kiwigrip. How you doing, Michelle?
Hi.
Is this making you happy?
Yes, actually it's making me very happy.
Yeah? This was the old color that she did, which is much darker. This is a lighter yellow, which I think looks much better.
Cream, they call it.
Cream. I keep saying yellow. It's not yellow, it's cream, really. the decks are getting painted. Everything is getting varnished. All the sides. Got 2 coats on. Still a little cold in the year to be doing this, which is a bummer because it's taking, you know, I put this on a little late in the day yesterday and then it got dark, and so, hear that? It ain't setting up. But give it a while, it'll bake. It'll be fine.
We're gonna get this done, I promise. We're gonna sail to Michael's party tomorrow, I promise. It's gonna be so much fun.
It looks beautiful. Look at this paint job. Michelle, this is looking beautiful.
Thanks. I'm pretty excited about it. Can't wait to get her out and sailing again. That is a sweet looking boat. I'm pretty excited about how it's turning out.
Between you doing the paint and me doing the varnish and cleaning it up, it's gonna be pretty sweet.
We're gonna go sailing on Friday. Woo!
That's right. We'll get to see it in the water. That'll be good. All right, man. This is it. We did it. How's it feel?
Feels amazing. It's been several years since I've had a boat that is sailable. It's been just kind of dead in the water, and here we are on a small craft advisory day, burying the rail like she loves to do, and I'm f***ing so happy right now. Love my boat. I love you. All right, put the camera down. Pray.
People just love to see a project completed. The feeling of completion is so powerful in our lives because it frees us. Order is restored. We take something left open and we choose to complete it or remove it from our life. But either way, we get closure. And completing a project doesn't just affect us, it affects the people around us. We've had a lot of people stop by the boat on the dock and congratulate us and say how happy they feel that we've fixed up the boat and it looks nice. They also feel the satisfaction of things being repaired, things being saved, and new possibilities that are made available. And you feel different. Michelle seems different. For many years, Dulcinea has been a project full of high hopes, and it's great to see Michelle bring it to completion. Sure, it's a boat, and there's always another project to repair, but it's great to see her take it from 80% to 99%. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time on Sailing Intention.